Hello, my name is Dagbjörn, and I'm gonna do a magic trick. Here I have spilastokkur, and I am going to go away. And I am going to do this very amazing trick. See, I'm gonna blow it all over there, and it will end like this. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it ended just like I was going to let it end. Like, oops, I just have to get the, go away. Oh, here it is. See, it just landed like we wanted. And you just, I'm going to do another trick next time. Okay, bye.